The Arabic word shukran, pronounced shukran, means thank you or thanks. It is the most common and universally understood way to express gratitude across all Arabic-speaking countries, used in both formal and informal settings. Key facts about the word. Root meaning. It comes from the Arabic root verb shakara, which means to thank or to be grateful. Grammatical context. Linguistically, it functions as an adverb. Saying shukran is a shortened way of saying ashkuruka, which translates to I thank you. Common variations. Shukran lak, thank you to you. Shukran jazilan, thank you very much. How to reply. If someone says shukran to you, the standard response is afwan, which translates to you're welcome, no problem, or pardon. If you would like, I can teach you how to pronounce it, show you regional slang for thank you, or explain religious alternatives like jazakallahu khairan. Here are the most common synonyms and alternative ways to say thank you in Arabic, depending on the context. Modern Standard Arabic. Formal. Ashkuruk. I thank you. Mumtan lak. I am grateful to you. Taqdiri lak, my appreciation to you. Religious/polite expressions. Jazakallahu khairan, may God reward you with goodness. Barakallahu feek, may God bless you. Regional dialects, slang. Tislam, Levantine/Gulf, may you remain safe, used to say thanks. Mashkur, Gulf, you are thanked. Merci, Egypt/Lebanon, borrowed from French. Yatik al-afia, Levantine, may God give you health, wellness. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you. Shukran.